Everybody needs to like this video right now because if we hit 100,000 likes, I'll be giving one lucky subscriber a free pair of new AirPod Pros. So make sure you go like and subscribe. So in this first video, we have a broken toilet and these people are gonna fix it with ramen noodles. Like, how crazy is that? It already looks like a brand new toilet. You just need a lot of spray paint and it looks good as new. I wonder if it's just as sturdy as the old one. This person invented a tool that can work on any bolt. When you add a little heat to this plant, it will shut the whole thing down. I'm not sure what it's called, but if you know, comment down below. This kid had a lot of fun when he ate a piece of food with dry icing. This guy surprised the whole audience with his shot.
Swing about 120 miles an hour. That's a good speed for him. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on,
go in,
come on.
Go in.
Yes, yes,
yes! Feeding time for a lion. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content.